This is the test. Which caster to go with. Not going with high mileage, so it's either GTX or Edge. 5W30 Ultraclean and performance protected to 10,000. I don't want that. We're gonna go with Ultraclean. See how this works.
Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
So unfortunately, Thanksgiving is in 2 days, and I want to do this oil change before the weekend is up. But unfortunately for me, it is raining today. Drizzling, not raining too much. But we're gonna do it, and I'm gonna try to get this done within 20 minutes. So I'm gonna bring out all my tools, set it up, and then I'm gonna get down and get dirty. Check it out. It's raining. I'm already pretty much done. Like, I'm gonna start the oil change and then finish quick. I'm just trying to get some lights so I can show you guys. Grandma! Word, you know, this is how it is. I'm gonna get some lights so I can show you guys, but pretty much it's a quick oil change. Trying to show you guys how you can get it done yourself. The main goal, nonetheless, you could do it yourself, right? This is a DIY, do it yourself. I'm just showing you pretty much. I'm in the rain, I have a bunch of obstacles ahead of me. I'm still getting it done. So imagine what you could do on a good day. I'm gonna put you on to Marlboro. It's like Marlboro, whatever. Anyway, this is what I'll put you on to. It's an electronic box that gives you light, real good light too. This is like a camping tool, but and it has the solar panels on the side and everything. But it's perfect for the videos. And pretty much this is the oil change right here. So the only setup you need is a pan, your actual ratchet, the socket, and then if you want, you can use cardboard, or I use this little dolly. Obviously, I got the jack stands, the ramps, and jack stands. It's very simple. I'll show you real quick. Lift it up. So you want the light to be, and pretty much, mine's a 13mm socket. We're gonna loosen out. Loosen out our drain plug, right? And then you should be able to see everything kind of on the well. You gotta just hold this plug so you don't lose it. And that's the goal. Once you get it out completely, you hold it and then you pull. And then, oh, look, I missed it too, guys. That's how true it is. I missed it. So, I missed the pan, but it's only a little bit salvageable. Now I have the drain plug. Oil's real black. Let this drain out. I'm gonna take out the oil filter, put it back in and fill it up. And the job is done. Alright. So that's done, and then you gotta reach up for this filter. Now, good thing with me, I don't really need a cap. I don't need a filter cap. It's a socket, if you want to call it that. I don't need that because I always do mine's hand tight. Look, that's what you gotta worry about. Clean up. And that's it. Now, What you could do now is you kind of inspect. I'll show you guys. Inspection time. Again, kind of dirty because I just let everything drop. But nonetheless, oil change is going to be done in less than 15 minutes or so. So what I do is I'm going to put the screw back on, which is the drain plug here, and then the oil filter up top. And all I got to do is fill, guys. Pretty much done. All right, so show you the last bit of the underneath the car. This is pretty much how it goes. So, right, you can see the new filter up top. There's the old one right here, and then you have the drain plug. That's pretty much the simplest way to do an oil change is take out those two things, and then you could expect everything else. But oil changes are needed, so I do mine every 2 months. So honestly, I've been feeling like it's been sluggish for the past couple of days. So I bought the oil last night, came out tonight to do it, and it's raining. But I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna do it just because I don't want to risk anything happening. And the oil was real black, it was low, so you know, like definitely worth it. How you doing, guys? Don't forget to join our membership page down low. Right, it's $3 a month for monthly tips from me on how to keep your car running from years on end. And simply for the end, I'm going to show you guys what I'm using. Alright. The sun is going down, so you know the camera's adjusting, but I'm using Castrol GTX. I actually like GTX on this particular truck, but I definitely need something to give it some more stability. So this is where it's at. We pour this in first, and we fill out the rest with this. The job is done. The last part of it all, man, is filling up. So we're gonna get that there. So obviously, they didn't have the regular Lucas oil stabilizer. It's the pure synthetic. I think they're both the same, honestly, but you definitely need some kind of stabilizer in the car. So I'm gonna throw this in first. All right, so this goes in. Oh, and it's clear. So that could be the difference. Pure synthetic. All right, and then obviously you might want to use pure synthetic oil with this. I didn't really read that honestly, but I know it's gonna be okay. It's just a mixture. Again, I change my oil every 2 months. This is not like we're gonna stay here for 6 months or longer. So the other one is oil, like a yellow, brown, orange color. This one is clear. So my first time using this one. All right. This is a quart. So that means 4 quarts of oil now. I'm gonna clean all this up. And then, yes, synthetic one. Okay, so pure synthetic. Okay, we good now. Thought it was conventional. Whatever. This is a simple gold with the clear. I'm gonna pour 4 quarts. Turn it on. The reason how I know it's 4 quarts, on the side of the jug, it has a meter for all 5 quarts.